He's a winner.
Now I'm going to say, now he's a stunner. I'm not sure about whether that applies to you two. Oh yes, Jonesy, what a horse. What a horse. Maybe I'll try that. See if I can lead him.
He's the best you bred. He knows you.
I'm not sure if it's 5
Let him go first and you follow, but prop back this way, not that way.
Yeah, yeah.
You getting a video of him?
Yeah. Why not?
Hold the outside rein, not the inside. Let him go and you just stay at his shoulder. And just ask him to go, just tell him. That's right. Walk him back and do one more. Maybe sell the others and keep him for one. Don't let him do that. Make him walk. Just use the outside one, don't use the inside. But the outside.
I'm not holding the inside.
Nah. His arse and you don't even notice.
No, not when he's moving, you don't, do you?
It's got better and better. Hang on. Come back this one, I'll do one video too. Daniel's got one. Let him gauge the pace and you just go with him.